Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Hooke Road is probably one of the most sought-after brands for off-road vehicle accessories, and for good reason. Their products are designed to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your Jeep, truck, or SUV, offering durability and style that stands up to the demands of adventure. Whether you're looking to upgrade your exterior with rugged bumpers, protective armor, or convenient storage solutions, Hooke Road aims to provide high-quality parts that empower you to tackle any terrain with confidence and flair. Number 5. Hooke Road Matte Black Grille Inserts for Jeep JK Wrangler. Elevate your Jeep's look with an aggressive off-road style. These inserts prevent debris from entering your engine bay, keeping it clean and protected. Ensure your radiator stays cool and protected. These inserts allow for excellent airflow, preventing overheating while enhancing your vehicle's appearance. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with UV treatment, these inserts are built to last. They are designed to resist rust, corrosion, and peeling for long-term durability. Installation is a breeze with built-in clips. Simply insert them into the grille openings for a secure and quick upgrade to your Jeep. This kit includes an extra white insert, perfect for custom painting. Match your Jeep's unique color for a personalized touch. Designed specifically for Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2015 with round grille slots. Please check compatibility for special editions. What we like. This grille insert offers an aggressive off-road look while protecting your radiator from debris. If you're looking to enhance your Jeep's exterior and add a layer of protection, this is a solid choice. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the rigors of off-roading. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. It was easy to install and fit perfectly. The design is sleek and functional. Number 4. Hooke Road Left Side Dead Pedal for Jeep Wrangler JK. Tired of leg fatigue on long drives? Introducing a new solution designed to support your left foot comfortably. It's the perfect upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JK. Experience superior comfort with its non-slip, textured finish. This accessory is built for excellent durability and a stylish look, ensuring it lasts. Say goodbye to complicated installations. This dead pedal is designed for a simple bolt-in process, requiring no drilling. You'll be enjoying the benefits in no time. Designed to alleviate leg fatigue, it provides a much-needed resting place for your left foot. Make every drive more enjoyable, especially on longer journeys. Specifically engineered for your Jeep Wrangler JK and Unlimited models from 2007 to 2018. It's the ideal addition to enhance your off-road adventures. Crafted with a textured powder-coated finish, it offers both rugged aesthetics and long-lasting performance. Upgrade your interior with this premium accessory. What we like. Combat driving fatigue with this dead pedal, providing a much-needed resting spot for your left foot. If you experience discomfort on longer drives or off-road adventures, this accessory is a game-changer. Its non-slip texture and simple installation make it a practical upgrade for any JK owner. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy, providing excellent protection for the vehicle. Installation was straightforward and the fit was perfect, enhancing the vehicle's appearance. The design is sleek and functional, adding a rugged yet refined look to the car. Number 3. Hooke Road JK Wrangler LED Dome Light Kit. Tired of dim interior lights in your Jeep JK? Introducing the Hooke Road LED Dome Light Kit, designed to brighten your ride. This kit offers a significant upgrade over your original bulbs. Experience a new level of clarity with our bright white LED lights. They provide superior illumination compared to OEM bulbs, making it easier to see inside your vehicle. This kit is a direct replacement for your Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU models from 2007 to 2018. Installation is straightforward, with a plug-and-play design. Simply swap out your old bulbs for these new LEDs. If a light doesn't turn on, just flip it around to ensure correct polarity. It's that easy to upgrade your interior. Enjoy a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours with these energy-saving LED bulbs. They consume less power while delivering a brilliant 180 lumens of light. This 3-piece kit includes 2 front lights and 1 rear light, providing comprehensive interior lighting coverage for your Jeep. What we like. Upgrade your interior visibility with these brighter LED dome lights. If you find the stock lighting inadequate for reading or locating items in your Jeep, these are the perfect solution. Enjoy a pure white light and a significantly longer lifespan compared to traditional bulbs. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well made. Installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. It looks great on a vehicle and adds a nice aggressive stance. Number 2. Hooke Road Wrangler Spare Tire Delete Kit. Tired of the spare tire obstructing your view? This kit offers a sleek solution for your Jeep Wrangler JK, models 2007 through 2018. Remove the factory spare tire mount for a cleaner aesthetic. It also includes integrated LED lights for your license plate and a third brake light for improved safety. Crafted from durable, CNC-formed steel, this delete plate is built to last. Installation is a moderate bolt-on process, requiring no cutting or welding. This package comes with a stylish spare tire delete plate and a waterproof LED license plate illuminator. You'll also get an LED third brake light. Reusing your factory spare tire mounting hardware, you can bolt on the new components in about 1.5 hours. Connect the wires carefully to your vehicle's system. If your brake lights aren't working, try reversing the positive and negative wires. Connect the light's black wire to the fuse box's red wire, and the red wire to the fuse box's black wire. What we like. Achieve a cleaner, more streamlined look by deleting the spare tire carrier with this relocation kit. If you prefer a minimalist rear end or are upgrading to an aftermarket tire carrier, this is an excellent option. It includes essential lighting and is built from sturdy steel for longevity. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. Installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. It looks great on a vehicle and adds a nice aggressive stance. Number 1. Hooke Road Smoked LED Tail Light for Jeep Wrangler JK. Introducing the Hooke Road Smoked LED Tail Light Assembly, designed specifically for your Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018. It's the perfect way to enhance your vehicle's look and functionality. Experience superior illumination with a strong sense of direction and a pleasant light color. These lights are engineered to prevent visual fatigue for drivers behind you. This integrated LED tail light combines turn signal, brake light, reverse light, and running light functions into one sleek unit. It's a complete upgrade for your vehicle's appearance. Crafted with a durable lampshade, it offers excellent sealing and waterproof capabilities. Its shock-proof design ensures longevity and resistance to fading. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. No drilling is required, simply unscrew the old lights, plug in the new ones, and you're ready to go. The smoked lens provides a modern, aggressive aesthetic that complements your Jeep Wrangler JK. It's a stylish enhancement that doesn't compromise on performance. What we like. Give your Jeep a modern, aggressive look with these smoked LED tail lights. If you're aiming for a custom appearance and want integrated brake, turn, and reverse signals, these are ideal. Their robust, waterproof design ensures they can withstand various weather conditions and impacts. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well made. Installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. It looks great on the vehicle and adds a nice aggressive look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.